Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. So in the last video we have discussed about some formulas of exponent, and based on this formula we have discussed some problem. So today we are going to discuss your last exercise, that is 5C, based on scientific notation and standard form. Okay, so first of all we have to understand what is scientific notation. So scientific means, notation means how you denote, how you write, how you explain. This nothing but is notation only. Okay, so suppose one large number is given. Scientific means that number which are used in the form of scientific calculation. Some large number, very large number, difficult number, that terms long number. Okay, so suppose one number is given. Suppose the distance between earth and sun, that number you have to calculate. You know that number. So if you are going to write this number, that the distance between earth and sun is this kilometer, the speed of the rocket is the this much speed. So if you calculate based on this number, the distance between earth and sun distance is obviously is very large number. No, distance will be very large number because the distance between earth and sun is very large. So if you write the distance in page, then it will be very long process. No? So for writing this number, to make it easy, what we have done, the scientists have done some scientific notation. According to that, based on this large number and all calculation, for doing it easy, they have make it in scientific notation. So how to do this one? So that number, if a number it is called in scientific notation, if that number it is the product of two number. Okay, so product of two number means, suppose one number 2 and another number, like that. Here will be another number, here will be one. This is called as product of two number. Okay, so what will be this number and what will be this number? That is the thing. So simply if you multiply like this, 2 into 5, so it is also product of two number, but it is in the form of scientific notation. No, there is some rules and regulation. So the rules are, see, scientific notation product of two numbers. Okay, product of two, that means two number will be there. One number will be number between 1 to 10, that means 1 to product of two number, that means two number will be there. Okay, product means what? Multiplication. So multiplication of two number. So one number will be between 1 to 10. Between 1 to 10 you can take any number. Okay, so between 1 to 10, suppose between, it should be between 1 to 10. Okay, so tell me one number between 1 to 10. Suppose I have taken 2, or you can take 4 or 5, any number between 1 to 10. Okay, 1 to 10. So suppose 4 you have taken. So this 4 is between 1 to 10. Okay, and another will be the power of 10. Multiplication, another will be power of 10. That means base should be 10. After that, whatever power is you are getting according to that number, you have to put here. Means one number, this number should be between 1 to 10, or another number should be power of 10. Okay, so tell me one thing. Suppose if it is given in the form, suppose a single number is given 5 kilometer. Okay, and question is given, write this number in the form of scientific notation. So how will you write? So first number, so I can write 5, but another next part, because scientific notation means multiplication of two number. One number I have got between 1 to 10. 5 is between 1 to 10. No? 5 is in between 1 to 10. But here what I will write? Here the 50, if 50 was there, then I will write the 10. But here what I will, because 10 is not there. So can I write like this? 5 into 10 power 0. Any number power 0 means what? See, 5. Any number power 0 means 1 only. So that means 5 only. 5 kilometer. This is only given now here, 5. So there is a chance of any number you can write in the form of scientific notation. So scientific notation means what? There will be multiplication of two number. One number will be between 1 to 10 and another will be power of 10. So you tell me one thing. Suppose I have written 2.5 into 10 power 3. So tell me, this one is in scientific notation or not? Yes or no? 2.5 into 10 power 3. See one thing, 2.5. Is this number between 1 to 10? Yes, 2.5 is in the 1 to 10. That is not, it is not mentioned that this number should be whole number or natural number, like this nothing is mentioned. Just it is tell that the number between 1 to 10. So between 1 to 10 you can take any number, decimal number, integer number, all number you can take. Okay, rational number, all the numbers, but it should be in between what, 1 to 10. You can take this also, 9.99 into 10 power 2, like this. Here whatever it is, it doesn't matter, 10 should be there, you can whatever number is given, but 9.9 it is between 1 to 10. So this is also in scientific notation. So now see exercise 5. See, is the number is written in scientific notation? Yes or no, you have to write. Is the number is written in scientific notation? Yes or no? So see one number, it is given 24 into 10 power 7. See, this one is in the power of 10. But see 24. 24 is between 1 to 10, yes or no? 24 is between 1 to 10 or no? In between 20, if you write 1, 2, 3, 4 like this, 24 will come in between there? No, it will not come. That means 24 is out of this range. So that's why it is not in the scientific notation. So this will be what? 1 will be your no. Two numbers is 7 into 10 power 4. 7. 7 is between 1 to 10. Yes, 7 is between 1 to 10. If you write 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 it will come. Okay. And 10 power 4 is already there, base 10. Now see 3 number, 8.9 into 5 square. Is it in the form of scientific notation? Both the term you have to check. 8.9 is in between 1 to 10. But next term it is given 5 square. But we need what? 10. 10 power something we need. But here 5 square is given. So it is in the form of scientific notation? No. So 3 answer will be also no. Now check 0.3 into 10 power 6. 0.3 into 10 power 6. Now you tell me 0.3 is between 1 to 10. 1 to 10. 0.3. 0.3 is between 1 to 10. No, 0.3 is not in between 1 to 10, because if you write 1 to 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like this up to 10, you will not get the 0.3. 0.3 is here outside 1. That means from 0 to 1 you will get 0.3 here, but we need in between this 1 to 10. So 4 number is no. Now see 2 number, complete. This one, that means complete means this one you have to write in the form scientific notation. So here it is given 54, then after 00, how many zeros? 6 0 are there. So here you have to write in the form of scientific notation. So how will you write? So we can write in the form of, see, 54 for it is given 54 into, I can write 10 power, I am doing like this, it is given 54 like this, it is given. Okay, so if I write in the form of this one, power from how much? 336, so it will be 6. But now you check one thing, 54 is between 1 to 10. No, 54 is very large number, it is not in the range 1 to 10. So that means we have to make this number in the form of what? In we have to take this number in between 1 to 10. So how will take? If I write 5.4, then it is in between 1 to 10. Okay, so here I have shifted this number. Here I shifted one number to this side, decimal point from here to I have shifted once. How many decimal places I have shifted? One decimal. So here one will be addition, 6 plus 7. That means it will be how much? 5.4 into 10 power 6. Sorry, 10 power 7. Okay. 2 number, here I am doing, check it once. Your question is given 98. How many 0? Okay, first you write 98 into 10 power 336 639 plus 1 10 10 0 10 power 10. Okay, but check this number. This number is not in between the range of 1 to 10. Okay, so here what I have to write, I have to do what, I am shifting, I am writing like this 9.8. so if I write here 9.8, here I have to make it larger, then it will be balanced now. So here, if here from 98 I have written 9.8, so I have made this number smaller. That means I have to make this number bigger. So how many decimal places I shifted? From here I have shifted one decimal places. Now here one decimal place, that means here one additional place. So 10 plus 1 it will be 11. Okay, so one example. Another example, suppose three number you can do. See four number. It is given 27. This one it is given. Okay, so first I'm writing 274 into 10 power how much? 33678 10 power 8. Okay, 274 is not in between the range of what, 1 to 10. So if I write if I write 27.4, then also it is out of your range 1 to 10. That means I have to write 2.74. So 2.74 I have written into how much decimal place I have shifted? 2 decimal places now. So here it will be 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2, that means it will be 2.74 into 10 power 10. So this is your answer. It is in the form of scientific notation. Okay. Now see question number 3. Scientific, write in scientific notation. Write in scientific notation. Okay, so here it is given 72,000. 72,000 you can write in the form of 72 into 10 cube. 72 is not in the range of your what? Not in the range of 1 to 10. So you have to write in the form 7.2. If you write 7.2, how much decimal places? 1 decimal place. That means 1 it will be added to the power. 10 previously 10 power 3 is there, so 3 plus 1 4, that means 10 power 4. So 1 2 you can do by yourself. Now say 3 number. 3 number is given 79 into 70. So how many zeros are there? 336 plus 1 7. So 79 into 10 power 7. After that 79 is not in the range of your what? 1 to 10. So I have to write 7.9. So if I write 7.9, 1 it will be add to the your power. So 7 plus 1 8. Okay. So next I will discuss your 4 number. 4 number C. 8040000, like this it is given. So first I will write 804. After that how many 0? 336 plus 1 7. 10 power 7. Okay. Now check 804 is in the range between 1 to 10. No. So that means I have to write 8.04. Then only it will come in the range between 1 to 10. So now how many decimal places I shifted? 2 decimal places. So 7 plus 2. So it will be 8.04 into 10 power much 9. Okay. Similarly 5 numbers you see. First I have written all the numericals numbers 31408. Then after how many 0? 10 6 0. So 10 power 6. Now 31,408 is not in the range between 1 to 10. I have to write in between 1 to 10. So what I have to write? If I write 31.40, then also it is out of. So I have to write in the form of 3 point. Then only it will come in between 1 to 10. So 3.1408 to 10 power 10. Okay. Similarly, all this 6, 7 you can do by understand by yourself. Simple. Next, we will discuss standard form. If any number is written in the form of only one term, it is called as a standard form. So far, Scientific notation means two number, 1 a, another will be 10 power something like this. That means two number, 1 and 2. Standard form means only one term is there. Whatever, suppose 2, this is also in scientific notation. 25, this is also scientific notation. Or if you write like this, 25,000, then here how many terms? Only one term. This is only, so this also in standard form. Okay, so suppose 1.52 into 10 power 3, and how many terms are there? Two terms. One is 1.52, another is 10 power 3. So this one you have to write in the form standard form. Standard form means only one term. So 1.52 into 1000, so that means if you remove the decimal, so 1.52 and 10 will be there. So 1.52 into 10 means how much? 1520. This is standard form. So now see question number 4. Number in standard form, 6 into 10 power 5. So this one, so you can do by yourself. 6 into 10 power 5 means how many 0? 50. Okay. Two number, 7.4 into 10 power 3. Now 7.4, if you remove the decimal, how much it will be? 74 by 10. So denominator 10 cube, and denominator 10 is there, numerator 10 cube is there. So 110 will be to cut, then how much it will be? 10 square. So that means 7400. Like this, three numbers, so 8.9 10 power 7. If you remove the decimal, 89. So that means here power 1 will be deducted. So 7 minus 1 is 6. Okay. 4 number, 2.3 into 10 power 9 kilometers. 2.3 10 power, if you remove how many decimal places? 1 decimal places. No? So if you remove the decimal, 2.3 10 power 8 from power 1 will be deducted. So 23 into 10 power 8. So 26 10 power, you write in your one term form. So 23, how many 0? 80. So write 80. The diameter of Saturn's largest ring is about 4.8 into 10 power 5. Saturn, the satellite Saturn, so a solar system, Saturn has one ring now. So that ring's largest diameter is your 4.8 into 10 power 5 kilometer. Okay, so that number you have to write in the form of what? In the form of standard form. So the 4.8 into 10 power 5, 48 into how much? 10 power 4. That means 480. How many 0? 40. So with this, your 5C exercise is complete. In the last one video I will make, that will be your some miscellaneous or some mixed problem, some standard problem. We will discuss about that. After that, your this chapter will be finished. Okay, bye bye.